guys, welcome to my channel. So today's hairstyle is a little bit different. I know I usually do like straight hairstyles or like hairstyles that involve heat, but since it has been so hot, I wanted to give my natural hair a try again. I hardly ever wear it like this, so I'm praying that it comes out correctly. But anyways, today's style is more like a pronto type of Bantu knot. So I'm doing Bantu knots across the front, and then the back is going to be braids with Bantu knots at the ends. So I'm doing that because I cannot stand how long it takes to do Bantu knots. But anyways, so my hair is freshly washed, and now I'm just parting off the front section. And the products that I'm using today, you definitely do not have to use these exact products. However, this smells amazing, but you don't have to use these exact products. Just want to get like a cream type of product like that. And then a, what is it called? A foam, what is this called? Mousse, like a mousse type of texture. And then some type of like a gel. So I'm doing my Bantu knot right here. I'm getting my gel. I braided the hair down first, like you guys just saw, and then I add the gel to the braid, and then I start wrapping my Bantu knot. Now I haven't done Bantu knots in like years, I feel like, so I was a little rusty. The first one I did is actually incorrect, but I'm gonna start doing them correctly starting now. So when I went to braid, you kind of start off your braid like if you were going to do like a box braid. So you want the base of your braid to be kind of tight, and then you know, just braid down. And then of course wrap it around like we talked about before. And like I said, I'm just doing that across the front. You see how it's sticking up? You want it to be kind of like, you want it to have a good base on it. So yeah, so that the whole thing is kind of curled up nicely, whatever. I am gonna end up redoing the first one that I did, but like I said, I needed some practice because I have not done this in a long time, and because it honestly takes so long. I used to wear my hair like this back when I was in college and high school, and I cannot believe I used to wake up, well no, I used to stay up late to do my hair like this, and then wake up earlier than 6 o'clock to take my hair down, make sure it looked right, because just in case it didn't, I had to do a different style, but make sure it looked right, and then get on the bus to go to school. You guys, that was crazy. Now I'm not even doing this. I can't believe I did it now, but it came out cute, I think. Hopefully you guys like it too. But yeah, like I said, I just do Bantu knots in the front because I don't have time to be doing Bantu knots across my entire head. Okay guys, so since I am in a rush for no reason at all, I took a huge section for my first braid, but I'm doing the exact same thing as I did with the Bantu knots as far as the products are concerned. The only difference is I am braiding. So I did an underhand braid just because I'm trying to continue to practice underhand braiding. But anyway, I did an underhand braid, and then I'm going to actually wrap the ends of my braid around like a Bantu knot. So I'm getting the best of both worlds here. I'm doing Bantu knots, braids, and it's a lot quicker than if I were to do a full head of Bantu knots.
Give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. And I'm digging you, you make me believe that your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
guys believe I waited 2 whole days to take these out and my hair was still not completely dry? You're going to see my face throughout the video. I was so upset, but I love the way it turned out, even though it wasn't dry all the way. But I kind of feel like my Bantu knots in the front, they were completely dry. But I feel like I let them sit too long. Like, I feel like I could have stretched the look out a little bit more if I didn't let it sit as long as it did. But nonetheless, I think it came out very nice. Again, this style is actually very high maintenance, but it's cute and it's good for the summertime. You know, you can leave the heat behind. You're not going to sweat your hair out. At least I don't think you can sweat this hairstyle out. Let me know if you guys have ever sweated out a braid out, or like your natural texture of hair. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's been super hot here in Houston, so let me know the styles you guys are doing. And if you like this video, please go ahead and like it. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And I cannot wait to see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.
Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. And I'm digging you. You make me believe.